Alright, back at it. I got all of the steering links out, steering components, and this everything I need. So I'm about to use the old shit that I took off in one piece, and I'm gonna build the new shit just like it. But I think I'm gonna put it on separate, mostly using it for these tie rods. So that way I can count the threads and get it the same length. And these are all my part numbers. These for inner and outer tie rods. This is for Pitman arm. This is, I think these are sleeves. Yep, these are sleeves. This may be my idler arm. And center link. So yeah, man, I'm just gonna put y'all down. I'm gonna do the best I can, getting all this shit straight, and we're just gonna keep it moving. But I took the outer tie rod, inner tie rod, sleeve, nut going first, then the sleeve. I got these at the same length. Then the next thing I did was went ahead and put the idler arm on. So I'm gonna torque that down to 60 foot-pounds. Then I'm gonna go ahead and put the steering link on, the Pitman arm, and the tie rods. And I may go ahead and even put my my sway bar on, and the sway bar end links. All right, let's keep going. All right, YouTube. I got it all on here. Center link, tie rods, sway bar, the whole nine. Everything except my power steering gearbox. I've been doing a lot of work off camera. Just cleaning up this shit, man. Just been using some of this degreaser, some brushes and shit. Sitting out here listening to some music. And I finally decided to do something with this damn brake booster. Give me your thoughts on that jank, man. I still gotta clean up a little bit, you know, but hey, you ain't even gonna really see that shit. But you ain't really gonna see half of this shit any goddamn way that I done did. So fuck it. That's where we at, man. All the torque specs to the steering links and shit, man, is in the description. Give y'all a look up under that jank. Look at your ass in the way. Look good. Proforged Mood QA1. I got a mixture of shit going on up under here, but look good to me. Next thing I'm gonna work on is I'm gonna go ahead and put that fuel tank back. Let me show y'all that shit. Fuel pump should be in today. This is my new gas tank. So you got that baffle up in there. I don't know if y'all can see it. You got that bowl up in there. This is my new sending unit. I ain't gonna take it out the plastic yet, so I don't got everything that I need. I even painted the straps. be alright. Hey, let me give y'all some quick info on this too, man. I done bought some brake dust shields for the back 2 times. And both of them was the wrong cut. Like Dorman and AC Delco, man, they done fucked up on the Blazer brake shields. You can't buy these janks new. So if you're doing the disc brake swap on your Caprice or G-Body or whatever, and you're going with the S10s or the Blazer, make sure you get their dust shields. You're gonna need them dust shields. Get the original ones. So this is the right side. This is the right side. Look how they cut. This is supposed to be the same dust shield. Go on the same side. This is the original one off of the Blazer or your S10. See how it's cut on that side? This cut is for the brake caliper. But on the new ones that I ordered, they completely fucked up the cut. So I'm gonna end up sending these and getting my money back, man. They ain't about to get me like that. And I went ahead and back to the junkyard and pulled off 2 more, because I threw the old ones in the trash when I had these ones that came in. But I know now I'm gonna start lining shit up. So I went ahead and painted them janks, man. I dropped them in vinegar for a few days. Then I came back, hit them with some paint, some clear. Yeah, waiting on my fuel pump to come in. I'm gonna go ahead and get that set up. Probably at least put the tank up under the car. Go ahead and run them fuel lines. Then I'm gonna put this rear end back. But for now, I want to completely button up this front. So I'm gonna keep cleaning up this power steering pump. Steering gearbox. And I got a rebuild kit for it. I've been watching a bunch of videos. So I think I'm good enough now, man, which I can probably go ahead and replace these seals in there myself. So that's what I'm gonna go ahead and do. She coming along. She coming along, man. I ain't gonna grease all of these fittings yet neither until I get it completely on the ground. What I might do is shoot a little bit up in there though, just so it ain't bone dry right now. And then go ahead and top it off once I get the car on the ground. But that's where we at with it, man. I'm gonna check back in with y'all later.